What's up, YouTube? We are doing one of the side hustles, and it's Uber Eats. It is now 1 o'clock. We got promotions. We got the offers going on today. Let me show you as I sign in. Hold on. Okay, let's see. Oh, I kind of woke up late. I'm planned on starting at 11, but here we are. So complete 4 more deliveries to earn $4 and unlock another offer. So after you complete the 4, then you do 2, you get $8, and after that 2, you get 12. Then after that 2, you get 3 for 20. I'm in the city of Atlanta, so I'm gonna take you on a ride with me today. And this opportunity happens again today at 5 o'clock to like 9. Same opportunity, but we're gonna start now. I wanted to start at 11, but I kind of overslept. That's my fault, and I forgot to set the alarm yesterday. But anywho, time to get some money. I'm gonna try to go all day. Like as you can see, it's 1 o'clock. Just hit 1 o'clock. It's probably gonna take me like 20 minutes to get to the area that I want to get to. And that's really the secret. You gotta find the areas where you know they're gonna tip well. But make sure you click the link, the description box below, if you want to drive with Uber with me. Click the other links too, because after I make my money, I invest in crypto. So if you two want to start, click the crypto stuff down below. You'll see. Right now we're down $26. I put money in the tank yesterday. As you can see, we are full. We are full. Let's get this money. I'll take you on a ride. Let's go. All right, so I'm about to get my first. Delivery. Let's hit it. Let's go. All right, so of course this is the way to start the day. I get inside. They said the order wasn't ready, so I asked them how much longer you think. Dude said 20 minutes. I was like, okay, we going to the next one. All right, so we canceled that one. We're on to the next one. Let's go. All right, so we secured both bags. Now we are on their way to the crib to drop it off. All right, last guy met me outside, delivered his order. Now we got this one. We finna deliver it. It's about 4 minutes away, 2 miles away. So let's do it. All right, as you can see, we're 2 out of the 4. It is 2:24. Like I said, I started kind of late. I do want to see if I can get 2 more trips in before this ends. We'll see. We've been getting a lot of orders in, but it's terrible. Like for me, I like for the money to equal out more than the miles that I drive. So let's just say it's like $20 for the whole order that I can get, but the miles driven is like 30. I'm not doing that. I'm only doing it if it makes sense. So I'm not in no rush. I ain't gonna try to force nothing just for an extra $4. But we'll see. And I always like to take pictures of the house delivery number and then the order on the ground too, just to just to show that I was there at the correct spot, like the address says. Little stuff like that. That's the first 2 deliveries done for the day. Many more to come. Let's do it. So the orders was being terrible, so I was like, let me just get a little lunch. Eat now. Got a little McDonald's. So we're gonna eat real quick. I'm gonna leave the orders on because they still popping in. I just need some good ones, better ones. But yeah. We got another order. I'm done eating. I tried to do a little, how they call it, thrifting. Try to find some stuff up for the low, try to resell. It wasn't really nothing too much that I seen that I like. So we back on the road for good. No more breaks. Let go. Yes, sir. All right, so I did about 5 trips so far. We're in profit now. Like I said, I spent like $26 for gas yesterday. We're at $28.19 after 5 trips. It's 4 o'clock. Let's continue getting this money. It's really only been about like an hour or 2 of actual work time. Remember how I told y'all I sat down and ate? I went to the thrift store trying to find some stuff I could sell on eBay. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because I'm doing all my side hustles. I'm exposing it. I'm putting it out there for y'all. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Check the description box below. But it's really only been about 2 hours of actual work time. But now, like, I'm just full steam ahead. I ate. I got the energy now. Let's get it. Let's go. Almost forgot to update y'all, man. It's almost 8 o'clock, 7:46. I'm still going strong. We are at 116 for the day. 11 trips so far. $116. Let's get it. Let's get it. I'm still doing more. I'm still on the quest. I got till 9 o'clock. Like I said, we done completed all those. We about to complete these two. This next trip probably gonna take me like an hour, it said. So I don't know if we're gonna be able to get to that third one, but hey, I need that free $20. So let me stop talking to y'all and get on my way. Let me get out this car. Almost forgot to update y'all, man. We finished off. I finished at like 8:30. I knew I wasn't gonna get that last 3 trips for the promo or whatever, so I just kind of stopped. I stopped at like 8:30, 8:40. But we did finish with 171 today. 13 trips, got the 50 points. So that was the day of the life of an Uber Eats driver. Yes, sir. If you want to see more stuff like this, just make sure to hit the like button down below, follow, subscribe, all that. Check the description box below, and I'll go into more details. Just if you have any questions, just put it down below. I'm just gonna keep doing stuff like this, but if you got any questions, put it down below in the comment section. Yada yada yada. Y'all have a good one. I'm tired.
I just do my thing and go collect the check. Good business, that's it, and there ain't nothing else. I got a plan, baby. We finna go get us paid, baby. Would you do your thing for me? Go put a link on your name.